Login failed on Yahoo Finance Premium fix. You open Yahoo Finance Premium to view your advanced insights or portfolio analytics and suddenly, you're locked out. The app says login failed and nothing works. But don't panic. This is a common issue with a few quick fixes. Start by checking your internet connection. Yahoo Finance needs a stable network to verify your premium account. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Next, ensure your app or browser is updated. Outdated versions can lose compatibility with Yahoo's authentication servers. Visit your App Store or Google Play and update Yahoo Finance to the latest version. Then re-enter your login credentials manually. Avoid saved passwords or autofill, they can sometimes insert old or incorrect information. If your login still fails, reset your password using the Forgot Password option. If you're accessing premium features through a linked Apple ID or Google account, make sure your subscription is still active. Sometimes login errors happen when billing fails or renewals don't process correctly. Another quick fix is clearing the app's cache and cookies. On Android, go to Settings Apps, Yahoo Finance Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. Disable any VPN or firewall you might be using. Yahoo may flag logins from unusual IP addresses for security reasons. If you've tried all that and it still doesn't work, visit finance.yahoo.com from a browser. If the login works there, the issue is likely with the app. Wait for an update or reinstall it. So when your Yahoo Finance Premium login fails, don't stress. Check your connection, confirm your subscription, re-enter your details and clear your cache. With these steps, you'll be back viewing premium insights and market analytics in no time.